Hey everybody, Jason.Fairchild here with Guaranty. Thanks for taking the time to check out our website. Today I'm going to take you over the 2018 Forest River Rockwood A122BH. We're going to start off going over the interior and we'll finish off going over the exterior. Follow me inside. As you can see when we come in, really simple layout here. We've got our booth dinette over here, which is currently made down into the second bed. Here in this box there is a nice barbecue grill that comes with the comes with the trailer. Here's your brochures, your pamphlets, your remotes, that kind of stuff in there. Across from our camera, we've got our 3-burner stove here in the kitchen, and our sink with hot and cold running water. Down below here, we've got a heat pump that will cool and heat this trailer. We've got a microwave over here. We've got some power down here and a place where you can hook in cable. You could put a TV up here if you really want to watch some TV. You've got a drawer here and a cabinet across from it. Your water pump's right down there, so it's easily accessible. Behind me, we've got the fridge. And then in the back here, we've got the nice big bed. It runs the full length here. And this is for hanging storage here. You see, you've got some shelves. It'll just clip right in here. So that's the inside. Let's go over the exterior. You see, we've got a large grab handle here. This rail here is where that barbecue would mount that we saw on the inside. And this is where you would tie in for propane. You wouldn't need to bring extra propane for it. You can work off of the onboard propane. Here we've got some storage. There's actually quite a bit of room underneath here. This is going to be underneath that bed. You can see under there right now there's a porta potty under there, power cord. This is a table for prepping food that will also mount to this bracket here. So quite a bit of space under there. I'll lock that real quick. Full-size spare tire, Wi-Fi extender. We've got some additional storage over here. And I love this feature here. This little pull-out tray. Nice to get heavy stuff in there. Makes it easily accessible. This here is the back of the heat pump. Just a little place for condensation to drain out here. This is your potable water fill here. And this is your gray dump here. So just catch it in a bucket or a basin and dispose of that in the proper area. All you do is unscrew it and let it drain out. And this is your city water fill to the left, right here. Back of the fridge, hot and cold shower here. Furnace exhaust, and this is where you tie in your power cord. Your 30-amp power cord that was in that storage on the opposite side plugs in right here. This is your water heater here. And up front, one of the things that makes this trailer so unique is this rack up here. You can store bicycles, coolers, firewood, all kinds of neat stuff up here. So, if you have any questions on this RV or any of the RVs we have in stock, please don't hesitate. Give me a call, Jason.Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.